What's that red light flashing in there for?
Dude, you're live on camera.
I'm on the TV. Woo! I got a cone around him.
Okay, lean back, son, and we can start this thing.
Oh, sorry.
Welcome to the charming little town of Radiator Springs
My hometown.
for race number 1 of the first annual Radiator Springs Grand Prix. Expect some wide open off-road action today as the rivalry between Lightning McQueen and Chick really heats up.
He's the ugly green car with the mustache, right? Hey,
Who you calling ugly? Spit cup? And the cars are lining up at the starting line now.
boy, this here is gonna be some kind of fun.
Okay, folks, let's go racing!
There are all so many different colours. It makes our world a beautiful, interesting place to be. I can see that.